Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open Roblox settings now because this is where subscriptions live. Once on web, click the gear icon, then settings. On mobile, tap the menu, then settings. Make sure you access the account that actually paid for premium so you don't cancel the wrong subscription. Why? Because subscriptions are tied to the purchaser's account and payment method. If you're using a family device, confirm which profile made the purchase before proceeding to billing details. Once you're in billing, find the Roblox Premium line and select Manage or Cancel. This triggers the cancellation flow. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining remaining access until the renewal date. Read it to know when benefits end. If prompted, choose a reason. This doesn't affect the cancellation, but helps Roblox analytics. Make sure to click the final Confirm or Cancel Subscription button. After that, capture the confirmation screen or number. You'll need proof if billing disputes. You should verify cancellation by checking your account's subscription status and email confirmation. This confirms the end date and future billing stops. If you were still billed, gather your cancellation screenshot and transaction receipt, then contact Roblox support. Provide those items for faster resolution. Also, if you purchased premium through iOS or Google Play, cancel in the App Store or Play Store subscriptions page instead. Why? Because platform purchases are managed by the store, not Roblox directly. That covers common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.